Hello children. So children all are taking care of your home, no? Yes, keeping it clean and tidy. Yes, very good. And keeping your environment also clean. Do you stop your neighbors from throwing waste? You should do. Yes, if you see any auntie or uncle throwing dust outside, or your mother or your father, you should stop them. We will not throw, but we will stop others also throwing. We will stop others making our environment dirty. We only have to look after that, no? Yes, I think so. All are doing their job properly. Very good. So, today we are going to learn about still more to pollution, that is air pollution. We have learned about land pollution and water pollution. We will stop, we will make our earth green, we will make our earth clean and beautiful, no? By avoiding this pollution, we will throw all the waste in the dustbin only, not in on the land or in the water. Now, air pollution, we are going to learn about the air pollution. Now, what is air pollution? How it is caused? Air pollution is caused by the smoke from the factories and the vehicles by burning garbage and leaves. How they are formed? Factories. You have seen factories. If you see factories, big pipes are there and smoke comes out from the pipes, and that mixes with the air and it pollutes the air. It is very poisonous smoke, because to produce anything burning is done, and when burning is done, smoke will release, the smoke will mix with the air and it makes the air dirty. Then vehicles, so many vehicles are running, especially every house, mostly every house has 3 to 4 vehicles. Your mummy will be having vehicle, your daddy will be having vehicle, your grandfather or whoever, your sister, brother, all drives vehicle, and so many vehicles moving on the roadside. All the vehicles give out smoke, and all that smoke mixes with the air and makes the air dirty. So, in this way, the smoke from the vehicles, the smoke from the factories, and what happens? We have so many trees and all surrounding us. The dry leaves, so many dry leaves we gather, even all the waste, the garbage which we throw, we collect it and we burn it. And when we burn that garbage and dry leaves and all, smoke comes out. That smoke mixes with the air and it pollutes the air. So, in this way, air is polluted in so many ways. Smoke from the factories, then garbage which we burn, and smoke from the vehicles. Mostly the vehicles which run on diesel and petrol, they give out smoke, which mixes with the air and which is very harmful to our body, especially in breathing. We will have breathing problem if we inhale such polluted air. In big metropolitan cities, this problem has increased a lot. Full atmosphere is polluted, air is polluted, people feel very difficult to breathe. So, to stop that, we have to be very eco-friendly and we have to use the vehicle very less. Okay? Polluted air is very bad for our health. We may fall sick and breathe when we breathe in dirty air. As I told, we may fall sick when we breathe in dirty air. We will have breathing problem, lungs problem when we breathe in polluted air. You can see here, children, see burning of garbage, dry leaves, then factories from the smoke from the factories, these big factories, they will give out poisonous smoke which mixes with the air and makes the air polluted. And vehicles, so many vehicles, you can see in metropolitan cities, so many vehicles all alone in single car, they go alone and lot of pollution. Even the atmosphere is very dark, we cannot see clear also. So, in this way the air is polluted by these different causes. Now, next is noise pollution. How can we stop this air pollution? Don't burn the garbage, put it in the dustbin only. Then instead of going alone, try to go in double and triple and use less vehicles. Walking distance, go walking only, and if it is far off, either go in doubles and in car, then you can go 3-4 together and reduce the amount of cars on the road. Now, noise pollution. Loud unpleasant sound is called noise. we heard many birds chirping, then music also, songs also, we like to hear. But loud and unpleasant sound, very loud sound, someone shouting or baby crying loudly or many children shouting, loud noise of TV, loud noise of DJ, that becomes a noise. Loud unpleasant sound is called noise. It is noise, not we don't like to hear. It is caused by bursting firecrackers, even firecrackers in Diwali, we burn so many firecrackers, big bombs and all. Lot of noise is created and we don't like to hear. We just put our hands on the ears because it affects our hearing also. We don't, it create noise pollution. Listening to music in high volume, many of they enjoy some their favorite song come, they put it on a very high volume and they listen, but so many are disturbed around them, so many are studying, so many are sick around in their neighborhood, they all are get disturbed. Then honking loudly, you must have seen on the roadside so many vehicles, they go on honking and honking. We don't like this, it creates a noise pollution. Noise pollution can affect our hearing and makes us ill. It will affect our hearing. We will start hearing it, we will have hearing problem and we may fall ill also when there is lot of noise pollution. So, we like calm and quiet place only mostly. Here in this way you can see different types of loud noise, then so many this aeroplane and this all noise which we do not like to hear. Many types of sound are there which we do not like to hear, they are called noise. Even this traffic, the bus and all, they go on honking and honking loudly, which creates a lot of disturbance even in mentally and hearing also. So, you should avoid noise pollution, do not honk loudly or do not put your TV volume loudly whenever you are watching TV and all, and speak softly. It becomes a sound, not a noise. So, we have learned this many types of pollution, air pollution, then noise pollution. If in a factory only big whistles they produce, that also becomes a noise pollution. Water pollution, land pollution. So, 4 main types of pollution we will learn: land pollution, air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. This all makes us, if it is not stopped, it will make us ill, it will affect our health. So, we should only take care to keep it clean and avoid them being increasing. Okay? So, children, I hope so all will take care that pollution does not happen, and bye bye. Thank you.